Look at this bird, y'all.
I seen it.
Why you just sitting there? Jeremiah, come here.
I put that on.
Come here. Look at it. Come here.
That bird is like red eyes.
Don't
Pick it up.
Give me a little stick.
That car touches this. Did you know you picking that little bird up? Dad, just pick it up. Dad, stop it.
I ain't gonna kill it.
Pick it up. I'll pick it up.
Jeremiah, pick it up.
I'm gonna pick it up.
Here, Jeremiah, pick it up. Pick it up, Jeremiah.
Pick it up. You got red eyes.
Pick it up, then, Jeremiah.
Mommy said pick it up, but get on way.
Nope. Push him. Pick it up, Jeremiah.
Oh. Pick it up.
Oh, that thing got red eyes.
Take that.
He's having a baby.
What's wrong? That's cool.
He's looking like you, the boy.
He got red eyes.
He's looking like you, the boy. Don't worry over.
What's wrong with him?
Don't run it over. I'm not.
Why is his eyes red?
You're born like that.